I see this happening all the time. This has been happening since the beginning of internet marketing time.
Still goes on to
All
this
right.
day.
I mean, I'm going to give an example. We have a program that we're a part of. And since we've been a part of that program, we've seen people jump to other programs where they think the grass is greener on the other side. And then they find out like, well, that didn't work. And then they jump to another thing and they get involved in this vicious cycle where they never learn any skill sets whatsoever. But the people that suck them, you know, I say suck them into it, sucker them
I know, right?
sucker them into it, is because they've done the years of research. They've done the years of studying their skill sets.
Yes.
So they don't really care about what you think. They just know how to entice you by showing you the new green grass. Okay? And the new green grass does not solve your problem. Because if you are here and you're learning something, and then you get enticed to jump to another green grass, what's going to happen? You never learned the skill set, so you're going to still have the same problem when you move over here. The problem doesn't change. It doesn't go away. You're just wasting time, right? You got to focus on learning the skill sets of how to make it work. And once you understand that, no matter where you go,
Yes.
no matter what you do,
Right.
you'll understand how to build a business and make money. But
Absolutely.
if you keep jumping, jump like Frogger. You guys remember Frogger? Right?
Yes.
You keep jumping and don't get run over by a car, you're never ever gonna get to that, you know, call it the yellow brick road. You're never gonna get there.
Yeah.
You're never gonna get there.
It's true. It doesn't
It's gonna
solve
be
the
a
problem.
vicious cycle you're gonna be stuck in.
Yeah,
You know?
it really doesn't solve the problem.
Yeah.
People make the mistake of, you know, we call them MLM junkies. We're starting to see affiliate marketing junkies. We're starting to see people hopping and skipping and jumping
Well, no,
around.
no,
They
that-
don't stay
no.
consistent.
Believe it or not, babe, that's always been around.
Always,
Even when I
always.
first started back in 2008, somebody was always saying, "Hey, come over here. There's something else." And
Yes.
somebody would jump over there and then jump
Yes.
over here. It's always been around.
And I'll tell you, here's my take on this, and whether you agree with me or not, but like my take on that is you lose self-respect. Your brand goes like down. Your credibility drops when they see you not staying consistent with one and they see you hopping around. I was like, wait a minute, what happened to the last program that you were a part of?
Called
Right?
it's called burning and churning.
Burning and churning. Exactly.
what they're
That
doing.
doesn't show respect. That doesn't show integrity. It just shows that, okay, so you're mostly in it for the money. You're not in it for the relationship. You're not in it for the long term. You're in it for like the quick in and out. I make my money. That's it. And I'm leaving. That's what you're in it for.
Yeah.
And we know a lot of leaders that actually fall into this trap. They do it. They say they're not going to do it. And then years later, they change
They
their
do
mind
it.
and they do it.
They do it.
They do it.
Yeah.
So it's like, which one is it going to be? Well, I can tell you for our perspective, from what we've done, we stayed with one, made six figures, go on to the next one, add on, never unplug
Add
and
another
subtract.
6 figures. Yeah.
We add on. So if we're looking for another high ticket, for example, we would add, not subtract, right, baby?
Always add, not
Always
subtract.
add, not subtract. And it has to be of value,
Yeah.
not these junky type programs with, you know, the crypto and the Forex and all the stuff that they have out there that they want you to refer to
We
make
have-
sales. And then they have the credit card thing and the ATM machine thing, the robot thing. I mean, what else do they got?
Listen, we
It's
have
crazy.
we have a rule. We never ever add a new income stream until we make 6 figures with that income stream.
Absolutely.
I want
That's
you
our
guys to
rule.
I want you guys to remember that, okay?
Yeah, exactly.
And we never do that. Once we make that 6 figures, we jump and move over here and we add to what we're doing. We never stop marketing. We never stop. We don't even say, "Hey guys, come over here." We don't do that because we want to make sure that they're still learning, they're still growing,
Absolutely.
especially if the opportunity has that value,
Yes.
right? That's why we choose opportunities with value.